I now pronounce you graduates of the American University of Iraq Suleimani. You may throw your hats in the air.
بێگومان خۆشتان گەورە ئەبن. Dream big, think big, act big, be big. خوێندنتان تاو کردو ئێستا بن بە خاوەنی بڕوانانە.
Therefore, I don't have the slightest shadow of doubt about your fitness to lead the nation towards a brighter future. If not now, when? If not us, who? At AUIS, not only you'll learn the technical material related to your specific field of study, but also you will learn to think critically and you will learn to learn.
اخترت الجامعة الأمريكية لأنه برأيي هي أحسن جامعة بالعراق.
I am Aveen. I am a proud business graduate. Studying at AUIS for 5 years is really worth it because it prepared us to real workplace challenges.
My experience in AUIS has been absolutely extraordinary. I've had great opportunities to learn, to travel, to grow, and I think I'm absolutely ready to face the world.
أمريكي وببخشم بخوان كاري خم ياخذ كاري قدس كلا كدي دائما.
I would like to thank my wonderful family and my wonderful professors for providing us a lot of information and the skills we need to work after graduation.
توانم بڵام خوێندنێرە ئاسان نەبوو بەڵام ئێرە باشترین تەجروبەیەکە خوێندکارێکی کورد بتوانێت هەیبێ و باوەڕم وایە ئەم جامعەیە ئێمە ئامادە کردو بۆ داهاتوویەکی زۆر باشتر.